Hello! Look what we learned how to do today. It looks like real Play-Doh, you have to try it. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to store it so it lasts for months. Today we make homemade Play-Doh with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. I'm gonna leave the ingredients and the amounts in the description box below. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 1/4 of a cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of salt, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And now we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Psst, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And we're gonna make a hole in the middle, and there we will put our liquid ingredients. 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, don't worry, you can put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we're gonna heat 3/4 of a cup of water. Be careful because it's really hot. We're gonna put food coloring, and we're gonna put it carefully in the mixture, little by little. Put all of it and finish mixing. When it looks like this, it's ready to knead. But don't touch it, it's very hot. You can use gloves so you don't stain your hands. And now that it's cool, you can play with it. These kinds of activities are great because they take a long time to make, and then children can play for a long time with it. You can make shapes, patterns, play with it using all your Play-Doh toys. And before telling you how to store it, I wanted to remind you that you have a lot of printables on our website. And you can print them or do it at home. Okay, to store it, you're gonna use plastic wrap, you're gonna put it in the middle, and you're gonna cover it completely. And just like that, it's gonna last up to 6 months. We hope you liked the video! We'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!